Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don warn contractors wey dey handle projects for the state say make dem step up their game and follow the work specifications and timelines, say if dem no improve, im go cancel their contracts. Governor Okpebholo tok dis one as im dey do check for some roads and drainage projects for the state. E come express dissatisfaction with the slow pace of work, especially the Orio-Uzuolua community, where the people complain say the contractor no dey show up for site, say sometimes the workers no even dey come site until 2 p.m. and when dem come, dem go close early. Say na sake of the governor come, na im the contractor come show face. The governor personally check the drainage work for Orio-Uzuolua and im no happy say the contractor no follow the specification well, especially the part wey dem reduce the size of the drain. E come sharparly warn the contractor say if dem no do am right, im go cancel their contract without looking face, say dem must use the public money well for the people and must use am do quality work. The governor and im team check the ongoing project for Orio-Uzuolua community, Orion Ute Palace Road, New Ute Road for Ekiwa Quarters, and the Upper Ekenwan open drain wey dey near the Niger Army cantonment. For all the places where dem go, the people welcome the governor well and dem thank am for remembering dem sake of say the last government no even remember say dem dey exist. Dem come pray for the success of the administration. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.